Are you looking for your next investment property that doesn't require you to pick up your tool belt? Well, I have the perfect home for you. It is move-in ready, not a single thing that you have to do. Welcome in. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has an open concept. Here we are in the living area. Then we'll move into the breakfast area, into the beautiful kitchen with white countertops and white cabinets, into the primary suite, nice sized bedroom, the beautiful bathroom, double sinks, walk-in shower, huge closet. This home is situated on a really big lot, which we'll check out later, and there is low maintenance flooring throughout the entire home. So here we are in the secondary bedrooms, and there's one full bath that serves both bedrooms. And just imagine what all you can do in this backyard. It is full of mature trees, tons of shade, and where I'm standing, I'm only halfway to the back fence. So just to wrap up, we're here at 723 East Maple Row in Denison. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, is only a few years old. It is beautiful, move-in ready. So if you want this view outside your kitchen window, give us a call. Thanks for taking the time to listen. Happy house hunting.